Alright, I gotta figure out how to kick us off because this is the pilot episode overall, but alright. So this is a new streaming series that I'm starting for programming, and sometimes the streams can be kind of uneventful. So I kind of want to add a small twist to every episode, and this one is the first of this kind of new format that I'm doing. So we'll see if it works or not. But basically, what I want to try to do is I pick an album or vinyl that I have. I give a little mini review slash summary, and then I just put it on the record player, and that just runs in the background while we work. So, um, yeah, so this is to kind of add some variety to the streams, and I'm also just trying to find new ways to make my streams a little more unique, since I am just programming in front of people at the end of the day. So, anyways, the first one I chose is Darkstar by Darkstar. It's the self-titled, and this is the back. All right, here's the cover. Get a good look at that. It's pretty gnarly. And then here's the back. So here are the songs here. Also, I think I got a Spanish press, so that's pretty cool. I got Captain America, Backstreet Killer, The Musician, Lady of Mars, Louisa, Rockbringer, Lady of Love, and Greenpeace. So, yep. I don't know what my favorite song would be. Definitely Greenpeace, and it's like these are all such really good songs. I couldn't choose a favorite, but Greenpeace and oh my god, Rockbringer and Backstreet Killer are probably my favorites, and then Captain America is pretty close, and also Musician. So I guess the least one would be Louisa, because I just don't remember it that much, but all the other songs are just so good. So, basically, Darkstar is a British heavy metal. They are part of the new wave of British heavy metal, alongside with Angel, which I don't think I have set aside for this. Or, not Angel, Angel Witch. Oh well. But yeah, so one of my favorites from that era. And yeah, now I'm going to look at chat and get started. So I'm going to play this real quick. I'll be right back. Now, let's see, how loud is it? Okay, if it's too loud, just let me know, because this is the first time doing this. Might actually turn it up just a little bit. Okay. And the final part of initiating the stream, what I'll be working on today. So, I'm finally working on gameplay. I'm working on this library feature, and I'll kind of explain more how that goes, but I'm just going to work on this today. So, finally done with some UI framework shenanigans, and now I'm actually ready to make stuff. Yeah, so I collect tons of records. I mean, let's see the massive amount, and this isn't even all of them. I have like probably 50 more in the living room. So, let's see. I can also I can see chat now too, which is so nice. Okay. Is volume good for those who are here? Also, I forgot I meant to prop this cover up. I can't reach this tiny cable. I just ripped my mic out. This is a good start. My apologies. The record is very flimsy, but now I can see it in the background, so that's pretty cool. Let's see. Alright, I remember idle research 1, so I bet 2 would be good. That's the goal. I think 2 will be so much better than 1. That's the goal. Okay. So, let's see where I left off. I kind of forgot, because I was working on this till like 3 in the morning last night. Okay. So... let's see. Okay, so this is the library. Jobs. Okay. So, okay, what I need to work on today is getting this unlock system. So basically there's going to be 4 jobs for droids. One will fetch, one will read, one will annotate, and the last will research. So, and all of these will generate knowledge, and there'll be IQ, which would be like your prestige system. So, alright, yeah, I don't know if you can hear the music, but right now it's Backstreet Killers. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Okay, so text is generating, the progress bar is working. I just need to get this button working because it's not doing anything. So, skip party started. Get an unlock button. Okay, so job, unlock card. And then raised image button. Oh, wait a minute. Oh wait, this is the assign button. I don't want that here. Job. Alright, and also behind this unlock card is the actual, like, UI for this. Once I get the unlock system working, should be good. I need to remove this guy. Raised image button. Okay, so I build the button here. I pass in a button config, which I have here. And then I subscribe to unlock. Fog. Okay. This assign button is null. I see. My job is missing a class. This assign button needs to have the class. Okie doke. Oh, why are these all unlocked? Oh, wait. Shoot. Okay. So another thing I need to do is to set active. I want this unlock but card to only show up if it hasn't been unlocked yet, so set active config. Data. Okay, so this, is this even being called? Oh, wait a minute. So also another thing I need to get in the habit of is that I turn on manual reloading because I was kind of tired of trying to like get a hex value from like, changing a color and then changing it in the code, and then it just like has to reload and then it just freezes. It's annoying. Okay, so manual refresh is nice. And still not working? Oh, that's why. I haven't used C# in over a long time, but last course we had some .NET lessons and managed to 100 the final exam. Hell yeah. But .NET lessons? Is this like school? Or like a course, like an online course? Because at my school there's no like .NET classes. There's some that you can just do projects in C#, but there's no like actual course. It's all either Java, C, or C++, or and literally anything else. Oh, okay. Okay, this is still not working. Why is it? Okay. Heck yeah, baby! How's it going? My favorite gua. And I like your name so much. Oh. Okay, wait, so now it's updating. Okay. Perfect. Oh! It worked! It worked! Good as well. I'm doing a quick session today. I'm taking a break from working on stupid essays because last 2 weeks of school, all my final stuff is essays. It's like, oh wow, here's how you're gonna learn for the remainder of your semester. Write an essay that you won't care about when you're done with school. Yeah, I mean, I also have like a programming project that I need to work on, but I can't live stream that, so I probably can after the class is over, but okay. So unlocking works. That is beautiful, amazing, awesome. Okay, and then also along with this job, Yes, sir. Finally. What sucks is that now that I have a full-time offer, I just do not care at all about school, but I have to because I need to graduate, so I have to suffer. Suffer then prosper. Uh, okay. Config. Thank you. Yeah, it's all seemed to be just finally done. Okay, so why is the constructor here? Read progress. And then reading. Wait, working. We're working only if data dot count greater than 0. Alright, so if we are working work progress, if we are working and ticks requirement is equal to 1, then we want to show off our game controller dot tick progress. Otherwise, we want ticks divided by ticks rec. Or it's just 0. Cool. Alrighty. I need a work label. Also, like, what I'm trying to do is that I'm throwing all of, like, properties and stuff related to data inside of a config. So, the plan is that every single build should take in a config rather than just passing in parameters, because if I can make an interface or just something where all components must build with a configuration, I can safely like override stuff, which would be really cool. But because that's the problem with this build, is that I have this this virtual build here, but it always gets replaced. It never gets like overridden. It's just like a new version. So I would like a. Actually, I could probably just put this here just so I remember. I would like a virtual build like this guy. Or T, where T, mono behavior, actually no, base object. Yep. CryptoClicker's last update reminds me how slow I am with my project updates also. Also, almost 2 years since I released an actual update. Wait, minus engine use? What? Wait, what engine do you use? Also, this chat font is a little tricky to read. I'm noticing. Oh well, I'll fix it later. Why? Why can't I do that? Is this because it's... Oh. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this new cell phone out. Override. This is weird. Oh, the modding tree. Yeah, I haven't interacted with modding tree in such a long time. Cause like the first time I really witnessed it was when I was a TypeScript hater for like literally no reason. I I love TypeScript now, and that's all I do with web development, especially for like Angular projects. But uh, yeah, now it'd be kind of interesting to check out modding tree since I actually like TypeScript and I understand it now. I want to make like a at some point I kind of want to make a modding tree, but in Angular or some like incremental game engine in Angular. I think that'd be really fun. But first, I want to do is build this game, create a web version of it that's in Angular, so I can build like the engine there and then rebuild Idle Research, but make a web version. It'll kind of act more as like an API or like a dashboard. Also, hello. I'm gonna switch sides on the record real quick. Also, hello, Ice Cream Dude. Also, peek at the CoffeeZilla shirt. Yeah, I mean, like, the concept with TMT is like, I mean, the goal is, I mean, making a game engine, especially in web like that, is just so hard. But who made Modding Tree again? Was that Paper Pilot, right? Uh, Academia? Huh? Oh. due to it being TypeScript based and much more complex. Wait, so is the original JavaScript? Wait, what the heck is this? Oh. View? Oh my god. Yeah, TypeScript is the way. This, like, incremental games are such, like, a type-heavy, like, environment. Let's see what this environment looks like. Tree. Oh, so, like, this is just, ugh, I don't like this. I mean, I guess this is kind of what I'm doing with auto research in Unity. Like, I'm, like, for buttons, I have, like, this similar... Like, see this right here? It's kind of the same thing, but I don't know. These are probably gonna be defined by like JSON files or something. I don't know. Hey, Creeper. Yeah. I mean, I like programming in JavaScript. Sometimes it's really nice to just bang out some nice jQuery stuff. But yeah, TypeScript is the goat. Oh man, pseudo typing. Yeah. Dude, TypeScript just feels so nice. And like, it feels even nicer working in an Angular environment. It just feels so perfect. I'm actually going to show you guys something real quick. A little off topic. But that's how these streams usually go, so. Okay. So like, TypeScript, let's see. See, I like Angular TypeScript where you design components that do things. It's like, here's a drawer, and I generate buttons with a for loop from this guy. Oh, that's so much fun. So it's like making a game engine out of like Angular would be really cool. Let's see, where's the... Okay, yeah, I need to get rid of that. Okay, yep, this is TypeScript. Fun stuff. So, in Angular. Let's see. Calendar. Yeah, lit. Anyways, that's my side topic. TMT used to only use one file for all layers. One of the biggest devs, has a layers.js that is tens of thousands of. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't like the API for Ray Wrapper, so doing a framework out of it, or a wrapper of the Ray Wrapper would be cool. Or no, it's wrapper of Raylib. Never mind. Yeah, working with Raylib would suck because I don't like the API. So Ray Wrapper, yeah. Yeah, I need to learn Raylib at some point because if I'm, well, I don't know. I really like Angular, and I might just move to Flutter if I want to do cross-platform stuff, but it really depends on if the ecosystem grows or not, because, yeah. But I should also learn Raylib, sorry. Okay, so build... Oh, wait, that works? Let's see, how does this work? Okay, so... Oh, that's not good. And I don't want to do new because this doesn't override. I just don't remember how I'm supposed to do this. Game object. Well, I don't like this, so I'm just gonna stick with override void. Okay, you're porting it to view 3. Oh boy. Nope, I'm never gonna use Godot. ASM is really good to know, honestly. It's really good to know. It kind of, you get that really core foundation of like how these languages are produced. And also it's really cool because the process of like how the English language is constructed and parsed, you kind of learn how that works with like making a compiler. Like literally the school project I'm working on is making a fucking compiler, like a very simple compiler. I don't like the way I'm doing it, but I'm just lazy and I'm using an iterator to do this, or whatever. I'm too lazy to actually do it right, so I'm just doing it like this. Okay. Okay. So let me build. Wait a minute. Tconfig. Wait a minute. Whatever. I don't even want to deal with this. This is gonna be such a pain to actually work the way I want it to. But at some point I want to enforce this pattern across all of my objects. Okay, so what are we doing now? I kind of lost track because I was being a fool. Okay, so working... Oh, work label. That's right. Let's see. I do not know assembly, but I do know a bit of C since I started working on it. I'm making a compiler. Oh, weren't you like making your own language or something like that? For personal project? I don't remember what it was called. I know it had a name to it. Cause I was also looking at your home website like a while ago, and that's where I saw it. Ah, wait. This is Lady Love? C, right. Yeah. Fetching. Reading. Annotating and studying. The C# one. Oh, okay. Fog. Dude, I can't type today. This is not good. Jeez. Failure to convert to verb. Oh, that's right. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do. Okay. Wait, I already have this? Oh. Peanut script. Yeah, I was gonna say Pringle script, but I wasn't sure if that was like a different project. Okay, so reading role.as verb. X. Unemployed as fuck. Alright, see you later, Creeper. Okay, some work progress, label. is a config. Majestic tunes. Yeah, there will be. Not right now. My friend, who I've talked about a few times on here, and I'm going to talk about again. Cujo Soul is going to, not this Cujo. I do need to re-listen to this though. Cujo Soul. This guy. Did you guys know that this is just one guy? It's just one guy. But yes, so this guy will be helping me out. He's my IRL friend, and he's good at making music, so he's gonna make sound effects as well. So he was working on a swoosh sound effect for this little drawer thing here. I kind of forgot to see if he finished that, so I wanted to check that out. Okay, public void tick. And if working, return ticks. Increment tick ticks wait. This int oh, the record's over. That's a shame. Ticks plus equals. I'm hoping that this passes in as a reference. I'm pretty sure it does. We'll find out. Ticks wait. 0 or 1. Ref. Ooh. Oh, it's okay. That's. Wait a minute. Tick. Ticks dot increment tick. Ticks wait. Oh, it's a property. That's why. Perfect. Awesome. Let's see, what else do I need to do? So when we tick, we want to also check if this completes. Public void complete. If ticks is greater or equal than ticks requirement, complete. Alright, so this is going to be a little tricky, I think. Oh wait, do I have a purchase action? Okay. So next thing I need to do is figure out what happens when you complete this job. I either want to pass this in as a func, or use a switch case here, which I definitely could, but I'd rather handle it where the rest of the configurations are. That's what this guy is. So I probably want to configure that here. So I'm going to have a purchase action and a complete action. All right. And so we have unlock and complete. Still thinking if I will make fan-made remaster of CC. Yeah, go for it. Kind of just don't care about that game anymore. I know people asked in the past, I'm like, no, please don't do that, no. But yeah, I don't really care about crypto clickers anymore. So go ahead. Complete action. I also want to fog assert dot assert condition. I want to assert that I know I'm allowing this to be a I'm actually just gonna not make this nullable. Take requirement. Complete action. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do that soon. See you, Flame. I think that wraps it. I'll wrap my hands also. Okay, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by, y'all. Okay, so when we complete a fetch, all it's gonna do is increase books ready by 1. All right. And complete action here is that we're going to add books read and subtract books ready. I will do this math later on, but just to keep it simple, I want these working. Okay, so librarian. So now a journalist and scholar. All right, let's see if this works. All right, I need to find something to listen to. play some Jippy.
The weather.
Alright. Okay, so let's test this now. Okay. So nothing should happen except get a useless droid. Perfect. Okay, unlock. And this guy is very much unemployed. Well, I guess this job is unemployed. There we go. Okay, we're not getting the books. Yeah, okay, so that's... Looks toy. Okay, so we unlocked. Okay, so the complete is not being called. Complete action. Oh, the tick isn't being called. I see, I see. Okay, now I need to figure out how to call this guy. Library job. Oh, so this just creates a new config. Hmm. Jobs.
Yes. How did it all begin?
7 o'clock on a nice Wednesday evening, kind of hot outside.
Hopefully we're keeping a little bit cool with the music.
Yes, hello. I want to send a big shout out and big up my boy Momo. Momo? Yeah, chilling in Hawaii.
So for every view, it's going to trigger this on tick, which should then call that. Okay. Library scaffold.
Somebody said it was the air was unacceptable today, but I accept it.
The official forecast.
Okay, so on tick, on tick, on tick, and we're good.
It's the weather for the world in a minute. There will be a terrible dry spell which will end,
When it rains, stupid.
Rain, stupid.
the weather will be hot, damp, and muggy.
The temperature will be 20 below.
Alright, I gotta replay that. This is a good song.
7 o'clock on a nice Wednesday evening, kind of hot outside. Hopefully we're keeping a little bit cool with the music.
Yes, hello. I want to send a big shout out and big up my boy Momo. Momo? Yeah, chilling in Hawaii. Yeah. And all the boys from the DDD posse. Alright, cool. Have yourself a good morning. Okay, listen. Alright. Respect.
Official forecast, the official. What?
Somebody said it was the weather.
Dang, this isn't even on RIM? What the heck?
Sounded all right.
The official forecast.
Eh, whatever. Okay, let's see if this new thingy works.
It's the weather for the world in a minute. There will be a terrible dry spell which will end,
When it rains, stupid.
the weather will be hot, damp, and muggy.
The temperature will be 20 below.
Are we reading the same report? Now, folks.
Other person.
Yeah. When the temp got frigid, the people got livid. Effects of the winter started altering the tempers. It's been that way as far as I can remember. When the hawk is out, nobody wanna kick it. Icicles decorate the village. The city grew silent. Dirty slush slow down the brush. Now it's all hush, but you feel it until you go numb. Where I'm from, bumps
It's still not calling it. What is this?
Feel prideful, so please keep your pity. The fall left a hint of what's sure to come. Triple fat goose weather, grab you one. While the white flakes fall out the sky, burning through my supply of get high. I flicked the lightning, held a 3-5. Low shirt with my Levi's on the edge, took a deep dive.
Oh, it's because I don't have a view switcher.
Took a deep dive. The weather. Yeah. While the ice melts away, it's clear. Things been heating up since the top of
The only problem with my on ticks is I have to keep passing this like all the way up.
Well aware it's a change I'm used to. The city is alive and well. Who survived, time will tell. When you see familiar faces you ain't seen in ages, with a sigh of relief like we made faded. Another rotation calls for celebration. When the harsh conditions faded, cold took a toll. Unforgiving to those with nowhere to go. No people they love to stay with. Prelude to a burner. The summer brings heat. The heat brings murder. Everybody outside, the service back serving. Young kingpins emerging to go against the current.
10 out of 10 debugging skills I'm doing here. Should scaffold.
Weather forecast mostly cloudy with periods of rain this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. High times. Oh no. Wish it was. High this afternoon and tomorrow.
Oh, there's no tick. There's no tickle. Where's my tick? On tick. Wait, on tick. Hey, Sable. Good to see ya. How you doing? Okay, this should most definitely work. I also need to get some more coffee. I just realized that my record's still playing. Also just throwing this little cover on real quick. Except I put it in the wrong way.
He's the only artist, all of my friends who are weathermen and weather girls tell me, he's the only artist who gets the clouds right. Now think clouds, you know what clouds are like? If you're a painter, paint a cloud. Oh yeah, white paint, boom, 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 boom. There's a cloud for you. He has spent hours, days, weeks, months
That's big end.
sitting outside, watching the clouds, making little
They transformed TM into a I almost said it transferring the emote to a pasta.
He doesn't see nature or neatness.
Ooh, I'm gonna have pasta later too, though. Okay, so tick 2. It's not reaching tick 3. Wait a minute, it's not even reaching this guy. Hopefully not. I'm pretty sure Jippy's on the copyright free side of the music. I don't know. Okay, so on tick. Oh, of course, there's no on tick here either.
what is the reason for all this terrible weather?
Well, I can assure you it's nothing to do with atomic bombs, flying saucers, or the eclipse.
Winter is coming, the windows are full of frost. I tried to tell everybody, but
Okay, this should work.
get across. You know, it's like how many times must a man look up before he can see the sky? It's like that.
Still not working. Oh, it's because I didn't reload. Okay, well, Sparky page is on tick. Okay, so this isn't doing anything now. It's still not.
That's our weather, the world's greatest weatherman. They sent me a storm cloud the other day. and two lightning bolts. And I was glad to get them because I needed to charge that day. You call this educational?
We're back here in the weather.
SparkyPage.views.
He's got a weather report. I'm looking over the Bay Area. I'm glad to tell you that there's no sign whatsoever of. Hold it a second, Jim. Looking down in the financial district, there's a man who has just walked up to a building. He's near a lamppost. We can see him there. He's placed his shoulder against the building. The building is beginning to move. He's actually shoving the building. The building has moved now about 4 feet. Yes, that's a rather formidable building that he's moved. What a fantastic being this is, living in our community.
Now here is the answer, men. You'll get me one of these days. But let me tell you about a few of these little episodes.
What have you been doing?
What have we been doing? Well, we've been keeping the folks amused, you know, during the hailstorm that hit the city of Commerce.
Hailstorms in the city of Commerce, yes?
Yeah. Aside from that, nothing of any real interest.
What else has been happening?
What else has been happening? Absolutely nothing. Just, you know, the countryside, the trees, the flowers.
Okay, water page. Research page. Oh my god, I did all these little mistakes I'm making are just because I'm not paying attention. Okay, while this is reloading, I'm gonna get some coffee. All right.
Severe weather bulletin at 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
got fire. You know what I mean?
I need to.
Fire,
Oh shoot.
I mean, the whirlwind. Look for us in the whirlwind.
Time controller. Wait, am I still not getting? Okay, so we're. Jobs view. Okay, so it's obviously getting here. Job view on tick.
And this is off of the album, whatever the heck this album is called. You're not into Weather Report. Pick up a couple of their albums. They do some really great things. Jazz rock. It's not really jazz rock. It's a jazz group.
Weather report mentioned? Wait a minute.
And this is off of the album, whatever the heck this album is called. If you're not into Weather Report, pick up a couple of their albums. They do some really great things. Jazz rock. It's not really jazz rock. It's a jazz group. Although they like to get into the jazz rock thing. It's Weather Report.
Definitely based on this. That's really cool. Print. Oh wait, this working. Okay, well it's obviously working. Why is this action not being called? Ticks plus. I stream while coding. Yeah. So it's for both motivation and exposure. Sometimes on stream I can lock in, and it's really nice. But I also, it's also another way to provide updates because I'm not really good at that on Discord sometimes. Okay, will this work? Okay, so this is not changing. Yeah, I kind of figured that would be the problem.
Please, if you have anything loose, tie it down, because it's going to be kind of windy tonight. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to turn it over to our captain on top.
Wait, you can do this? Ref this? Seems kind of diabolical, not gonna lie. Oh, I love the song. I love the tone.
If you don't know how to dance, all you have to do is stand up and let the boat do the rest.
'Cause I don't... Well, how does this work? I think you have to do ref ticks. Oh wait, this is also... Wait a minute, that works? Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so I guess the ref is automatic. That's awesome. I mean, chat usually is pretty good with like, just like support in general, and also recommendations. I try to ask for recommendations if I'm not sure about something, but I'm also just open to feedback in general. I haven't really experienced any like major bugs solved by chat. Maybe down the road that could happen. I also fear I move around too fast, so I'm hoping if that's the case, people will say something at some point. Okay. Yes! We're getting books! We're getting books! Except for some reason we're getting all of the books. Okay, let's check out our bookshelf.
His forecasts could take on extremely significant meaning for all men.
Oh, that's why.
Everybody talks about the weather, but nobody is doing anything about it. Now somebody is doing something.
Okay, wonderful. Now, next problem is that this isn't updating. Why are my books not updating? Books red.
It's nice to sit here in the sun with nothing to do. Even if we fail to make money. All you've ever done. Yeah. Why do you not enjoy the peace and quiet like I do?
Because it's always too peaceful and too quiet.
Okay, so the text is updating, but why isn't the...
Came into the control room wearing nothing but a pair of bathing trunks. The announcer spotted him just as they went on the air. Listen,
Oh, wait. Wait, what? Oh, books read. I see. Okay. So another part of this that I have to do is the task view. Content. Okay, so I need to get this page working, which is... this is gonna be annoying. Okay. I just need to keep it nice and simple, though. I'm very happy with how this class turned out. This one's very clean. So I need to do the same thing here. So I'm gonna create public class research. The task.
Man came to identify the functions or qualities of things as being their internal spirit or life. What a thing appeared to be, it was thought that it had intended to be. Thus, for example, a running stream was thought to be alive. Moving clouds were thought to be alive.
Okay, so basically, I wonder if I can just copy this entire thing. Yep, that's very true. Description label. So go to tasks.
Looking up at the clouds passing by.
He's a meteorologist, a weatherman.
Weatherman? He's supposed to be a retired locomotive engineer.
Yes, Dr. Tripper. What can I do for you?
My telescope is picking up a strange sort of, well, what I can only describe as an electrical storm, which is which is approaching the Earth rapidly. I thought the news media should be advised.
He happens to glance up at the sky, where he notices a small dark cloud way up, far above the highest mountain. Looks like storm clouds again.
Alright, so for reading, there's gonna be no ticks involved.
Appear in the ceiling, and silver bullets streak through the room to the floor below. Panic! Look! It's raining silver bullets!
Working.
Have you ever been caught in the rain? Have you ever been caught in the rain? Now,
as you probably know, one of the greatest discoveries ever made by the weatherman was when he found out that all weather in the northern hemisphere moves counterclockwise. In the southern hemisphere, it moves clockwise. This is caused by magnetism and the rotation of the Earth and stuff like that.
Hey, I don't know name. I don't know what name is.
I think everything's going to be all right. And that's a forecast I'm pretty sure of.
He's back just where he was before. And the whole thing's ready to start once more.
Seasons turn around, just like a phonograph. Seasons turn around, just like a phonograph.
Awesome. Well, howdy, Cleo. Let's see. I'm just gonna copy and paste all of this.
Seasons turn around, just like a phonograph. Seasons turn around, just like a phonograph.
I was just asking everybody over here what was their favorite season. Do you have a favorite season? You never see the outside anyway. You only wake up and go to work at night. You gotta concentrate on other things. Here's Pixie with a few words about dietetics.
Unlock task.
I don't know. You never know when that's going to happen. It's like the stock market. You always know the stocks are going to go up someday and they're going to go down someday, but you never can pick the day. Isn't that true of life itself? It's also true of life itself that there are no rules. Life is an inexact science. Nature is an inexact science. Summer does not come on June 25th. It's just a convenient date for us to say that summer starts on Good Valley 1st. And the farmer is always complaining that just when he ought to get rain, he's not getting rain. And when he gets it, he gets too much of it. Nature, in other words, is not perfect. Just on the long pull, it does its job as it's expected to do, but not day by day.
You appear to me to be terribly concerned about not being careless in any part of your work.
Well, I like it all so much.
Theoretically, nobody should have heard it.
That's right. And that's why, because of the presence of intangibility in success or failure, do not rely too much on the tangibles.
You really intrigue me with statements like that, the presence of intangibility. Now think of the presence of intangibility. If something is intangible, you can't define it. If you can't define it, how do you know it's present?
You feel it.
That's it. And that set off an interesting thought to me, because the chances of getting good ideas are more likely while you're trying to get them than while you're doing nothing at all. It's pretty much like turning a radio dial to get in a certain program. If you don't turn the dial, the program's never going to come.
That's right. It's a good comparison.
And I wonder what you tune into.
You can take a trip around the world without leaving your easy.
Oh, we just finished that.
It's fine if you know what meteorology is.
It's simply that branch of physics which treats of the atmosphere and its phenomena. Wind, rain, hurricanes, lightning, and so forth. Through meteorology, we determine the weather, sometimes months in advance.
It's like a nuclear reaction.
It's gonna rain.
Better get inside.
It's gonna rain.
Yes, a rain was coming. A very strange rain.
This is your award-winning, unbiased news program.
Working.
Together more iller than MacGyver. I never tire.
7 o'clock on a nice Wednesday evening, kind of hot outside. Hopefully we're keeping a little bit cool with the music.
Yes, good morning on the Roots Rock Radio Show. This is where it's happening.
Yes, hello. I want to send a big shout out and big up my boy Momo.
Momo?
Yeah, chilling in Hawaii.
Yeah.
And all the boys from the DDP family.
All right, cool. Have yourself a good morning.
Okay, you too.
All right. Respect.
Somebody said it was the air was unacceptable today.
Howdy. I am doing fantastic. I'm feeling like I'm in a groove, finally. How are you doing? Uh-oh, what? I'm now just getting flagged for copyright audio. What? Man, I've been playing this for over an hour. How does it not get mad earlier? Yeah. Well, let's find something else to listen to. Mustache. The mustache. Can't work label. Look at this beautiful, beautiful chunk of code. Yeah, I knew it was you. Don't worry. I'll never forget you, pal. Okay. Oh, okay. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, Waddles is now online on Discord. Man, I'm still getting YouTube raged by copyright. What's this? for this task. Can't work label. Whoa. I love that. Let's see. Wow, that looks really nice. Where are you making this in? Let's see, maybe you've already told me. Skyrim soundtrack is the only solution. This looks really nice. I really love the pixel art. Looks like... So what is this supposed to be? It looks like are you building like a circuit or something? Since YouTube's getting mad, I might have to stop the music. I'm leaving pretty shortly anyways, because I need to get back to schoolwork. Blah. Bind config. I don't have a config to bind. put that there. Oh shit. Config, task config, config, spawn job, config, config. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to rebuild, aren't I? Yeah, I might do this off stream, 'cause I don't think any of these buttons work. Yeah. Base component. Library task. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this. And just one last thing. If the data is not unlocked, return. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna leave this as is. Coolio. Well, let's see, how long was this session? About 2 hours. I'd say that's pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna head out, and hopefully I will do one of these within the next week and a half. It's pretty busy. It's a pretty busy week for school. I just gotta get some essays done, but I would love to try to work more. But yeah, I will be sure to crop most of this video, or at least the beginning and the ending, just to make sure this feels more like a video format. But if you enjoyed, please leave a like on the stream, and if you aren't subscribed already, consider doing that. And I will see you guys in the next one.